Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the Benfei USB-C to HDMI adapter, perfect for connecting your MacBook or USB-C devices to HDMI displays. Inside the box, we have the sleek USB-C to HDMI adapter itself. It's compact, lightweight and feels sturdy in hand. The build quality is excellent and it has a clean design that matches modern devices. This adapter supports 4K resolution at 60Hz, so you can enjoy crystal clear video and smooth playback on your external monitor or TV. It's plug and play, which means no drivers are required, just connect and use. I am connecting it to my MacBook. Instantly, it detects the external display. It works seamlessly with Windows, laptops, Chromebooks, and other USB-C devices as well. So, if you need a reliable, compact, and high-quality USB-C to HDMI adapter, the Benfei adapter is a good choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing and review videos.